How are you directing your acting career in 2025? How are you directing your script writing, your directing career, whatever you're doing, okay? You get with me and we'll talk. However, right now I want you to think about this question and think about it very good and answer it for yourself. Time for reflection. Reflection is power. How are you directing your acting career and your life? They're synonymous. How are you directing it? Ask yourself the who, what, when, where, why. Remember? Who, what, when, where, why? Okay. How are you directing your acting career? Be specific. Avoid things like, oh, David, I'm trying. I'll get somewhere. Okay. It's not a direction. Would you say that? Would you expect a director to say that to you? Well, just do whatever you want. We'll figure it out as we go along. It's like, what? You get specific directions to do specific things in a scene, whether it be on stage or in a film, and then you carry the story through. You need to carry your story through. So what is or what does 2025 mean to you?